Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I'm standing in front of a 2027 Bennington 22 MSB swingback. This boat has the anthracite rippled main panel with the metallic silver accent in smooth. Of course, we have the blackout package on our railing, skirting, and trim work on this boat. This is a tri-tune with our SPS performance package on it and a 200 horsepower Mercury with power assist steering. Come around to the back, let me show you some more of my favorite features. Coming to the back, we have lots of room to entertain. This boat has the extended aft swim platform, so you have plenty of room to get on and off the boat and for the kids to jump off and swim. Like I said, we have the 200 horsepower Mercury V6 motor, a ski tow bar so you can pull the kids on the tubes or water skis. This boat does have the lily pad spring assisted ladder, makes it really easy to get in and out of the boat. Coming inside, you can check out the swingback seat. It's really versatile as well. Okay, thanks for joining me inside. Let me show you a little bit about this swingback. Right now we have it in the rear lounger seating arrangement. We can lift it up and make this one whole entire back a rear pad. We can lift it in, whoopsie, and have an interior facing seat. Or we can even have the pop-up backrests for lounging inside towards the boat. Coming inside, this boat has the captain's chair and co-captain's chair seating arrangement with a 12-inch vivid digital screen with integrated GPS. We have a Bluetooth stereo, RBG lighting package, wireless phone charger, and soft touch control buttons. This boat also has the power bimini top, in-floor storage, slide out trash can, doggy bowl drawer, 2 tables. Here's a pop-up table, and then we also have our bow table here in the front of the boat. You have 2 nice forward chase lounger seats with pop-up backrests. This is the Dolce and Carbon interior color. And Bennington adds a lot of nice little storage features like cubbyhole pockets, a wine rack. We'd love to show you this boat in person if you'd come by and see us at MarineMax in Greenville.